As you can see, the repair was done to make the boat float and be moved to dry dock. This must now be removed and replaced with new material. You can see that this has made a significant area on the port bow and a real shark bite on the starboard bow. Both will be made like new in this process.
So here we have Tex back at the work, putting some glass on here to create a base for the coring material. And this bow is probably the trickiest section of the whole thing, but he's got it under control. Of course, there's what it looked like before. Very interesting. Very interesting.